It is yet a new dawn. Chukwoki Kabiama, bless my day.
Okay, Mama.
Don't leave them here.
Okay, Mama.
Man, we're almost done.
I know. I know. The place is cleaner now.
Father!
Over.
These lands are too much.
Which land?
How many farmland do you even have?
Hey, plenty. Hurricane and Agota.
What's all this question about?
Ah, you know your daughter. Your daughter is a questionnaire. She must ask questions.
Father, I want to make a suggestion.
Yes?
Father, let's say some of these lands, we cannot be farming in all of them. We will die.
It's very good.
Huh? My good.
Thank you, Papa. I know your blood flows in me.
Yes. My blood actually flows in you, and your question is very good. Yes, your question is also very stupid. Now bend down, pack those things. Walk! On your cell. Yeah, land.
Don't you have sense? If we sell it now, we'll enjoy the money. Me, I want to enjoy you. But what will you fall back to tomorrow?
Mama, I am going to marry a rich man.
Ipa, I hear you. Finish this thing. We're almost done. We'll finish. Let's go.
A rich man that doesn't like land. Eh?
Papa, I'm going to marry a rich man. I'll marry a rich man.
We are saying the same thing now. Your own rich man will not want landed property.
Hey, Papa.
What he wants, what your rich man
I will surprise you.
Is your end. Finish.
Please marry a rich man. Yes. After them have to farm, so that you die of hunger.
My dear.
Who am I seeing? Obuago himself. Oku. This is Oku Adam Hot.
The only drunk and wine papa in our kingdom.
Adam Hot. Adam Hot. The only reasonable hunter we have in this very kingdom. The only man that whenever he visits the bush, every animal that is there becomes his.
Hey, Uncle, you have killed me. In fact, Uncle, you are the only palm wine tapper who taps the sweetest palm wine in this kingdom.
You can say that again. I am hot. I'm Uncle.
Very, very hot.
So, do you know why other palm wine tappers, their drink is not sweet? Let me leak the secret to you. They mixed theirs with water, but my own, as natural as it comes.
Fresh and natural. Now I understand.
Virgin drink.
Okay. Let me test this.
Test it and confess.
I want to have a taste of this one.
Hey! I'm just coming down from the other three. Very well.
Everybody is talking about Oku.
That is why I am hot.
Hey!
Oku is hot. Look at it. Open confession. Say it as it is.
Oku. This one is very, very nice. Very, very nice.
It must be. It's from Oku.
Oku, I want to tell you something.
Go ahead.
I don't want you to miss this one.
I cannot.
Don't miss it anything.
I don't.
I have a celebration later today. I'll be coming to buy some.
You don't have problem. My drink is hot, just as Oku is hot.
Hey.
And once you take it, you become hot.
Oku,
no problem. Celebration, no problem. Hey! You will celebrate and your wife will, your woman will celebrate because the palm wine very, very hot. Okay, make it strong. Oku the hot. And them hot to go. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. Let me help you.
Don't worry, I am fine. I am fine.
We are not enemies, are we?
Of course not. We can't be enemies. Then
let me help you, I insist.
You know this is my business.
I know. I don't know how I'll walk to the market almost empty and leave you with all this.
Okay. If you can help me with this.
At least let me help.
Enwekwara m akwụkwọ nri na-enye ọbara. Onye mbụkọta taa. Amagbuo onwe ya. Ọzọ ka ndị mmadụ na-afọ abịa m.
My daughter, thank you.
Let me get
Thank you so much. Hey. How is it?
Hey, Ada.
Yes, I'm selling. Did he give you power?
Hey. What's it? Why do you like food this much? Must you eat and drink? Anyways, I just helped him. And I didn't ask for anything in return. Are you okay now?
You just helped him for free.
No. For his head in return. Arrange this thing.
I'm going there now. I'm going to take a cup of palm wine from you.
Don't try to.
I will. Besides, he's making money. Are you just there to just help somebody? To just help me? He's making money. I will go and take a cup of palm.
How are you? I understand.
You understand?
I overheard what you were discussing with your sister. You want to drink? Let me give you 1 cup of palm wine. So that you drink.
No, they don't do things for free now. Hey. Hey.
Don't worry. You can enjoy my palm wine. Is it sweet?
Very sweet.
You like it? That's good.
If possible, more cup.
Maybe later in the day.
Okay.
You can go back to your shop.
I can still My Ataka. Drink is so sweet,
Don't get truth will not kill you. I pity your life.
No problem.
Stop it, though. You better stop it.
Hey. It's in my stomach.
I know. Very soon now you start purging.
Let's see. I won't purge.
Hey, customer, come, oh.
I am going to see Adako at the market. So I must look my best. Besides, today is our anniversary.
You see, these things are still. You need to test up. Arrange those ones there, please.
Hey,
Mazioko, please don't delay me, please. I'm here because of your drink.
Serving you drink is not the issue. It is paying for the drink easier than so.
Mazioko, I think you know me now. Money is not the problem here.
Easier than
I came all the way because of this your special drink.
I will not serve you this drink on credit.
No problem. Bring your drink first. Please. Be fast, so that I will get myself.
You will soon get yourself.
You know you are the best palm wine tapper in this community.
Nobody equals me in this.
That is why I always come to patronize you.
This is Oko. I am hot. Everything I do is hot.
I've already perceived the smell. This drink is a very good one.
My drink is pure palm wine.
I can see that.
Direct from the palm tree.
I can see that.
This is very sweet. It's the best.
I heard you are the best palm wine tapper in this community.
I am hot.
And without being doubt of it, you are there.
Oko is hot. Everywhere.
Mazioku, you are wonderful.
I am hot.
You are very wonderful.
Say it again.
Mas beautiful.
You don't gonna make go. Okay, one call. We gonna have.
Aha! This is more like it. Yeah. I know she will love me more once she sees me like this.
Or rather handsome.
Well, thank you for the compliment.
Anyway, I was going to your house to give it this. I know you're going to like it. Look at this. I prepared oha soup with a lot of bushmeat.
And that's Nchi.
Mm-hmm.
It's okay. But you know I am a hunter. So I have access to the sweetest of Nchi. And secondly, I don't like oha soup.
It's because Adaku does not know how to prepare it.
No. Because you are wasting my time. Now, I have somewhere to go to. I'll see you later.
Don't worry. Very soon you will realize I'm the only real woman for you in this village.
That oha soup. Love. Look at what love has done to me. I would have used that soup to see into my future. See how greenish the oha is looking.
Now my brother, I can never be to the king and you
He's looking his best, knowing that you'll be here. This love so important to express each other. If you like, let him come here naked and dandy. I will still love him the same way. Love him. It seems to be noticing. Come on.
Wete ego bro chogo.
Me ego.
Wete ego.
Orna mori dia. Orna bulu chahe ga.
Kina bu maka ahia. Kina ga bu otu.
Wote me ego.
Ya me ego, ya me ego.
Dike nukumade.
Yeah.
It seems you're going home. You don't even tire every time harvesting, walking about it. Huh? Huh? I was going to tell you that I'll come and see you later. There's something we are going to discuss about. Maybe tomorrow. Yes. Okay, I'll see you later in the evening. I'm rushing somewhere. I will see you later in the evening. Yes, later in the evening.
Of admirers. But don't worry, very soon I will start killing them. Very soon.
Are you done?
Yes, I'm done.
Very good.
Who's on my try it? Who's on my try it? I will cry. I will cry if you just try it now.
Come back then. Come back then. Why not? Ayaw ma o? Mana batapa no? Come back then. Alright.
What's that?
That Adane left all the work for me in the market just for her to come back to the house, go to the boyfriend's house to cook all the meat for him alone. That's not possible. I will go there. Damn it, I will eat it with them. Me. Let me have my best. But do I need it? Who is even looking at me? I'm okay like this. Ah. Go. Just stay there. Don't sit down.
I bought this for you.
For me?
Yes.
This is beautiful.
I know.
My love, you make me smile and happy every day. I don't want to die because of your excess love and attention towards me.
You deserve everything, my love. You deserve everything.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Look at it.
This bead. This bead is the rave of the moment. Every happening maiden wears this. I can't afford it. But you did, my love. You did.
What do you want to do? Do you want to cry? Do you want to cry? Why the tears, my love? Why?
I'm fine. Thank you for loving me.
I love you immeasurably. I love you from the depth of my heart, Adako. And I will continue to love you.
I love you too.
I haven't seen you drink before.
I am drinking for love.
Let's drink in love.
Drunk in love.
Of course, we are very wealthy. In fact, your father is one of the wealthiest men in this kingdom. Yes.
I'm suffering like this.
What do you mean you are suffering?
Mama, I go to farm, I fetch water, I cook. I don't even have the newest and beautiful being as in me. Yes, you said we are wealthy.
If lavishing our money on you call wealthy, then forget it. Eh? See, nobody will lavish any money on you. As for farming, you have to learn how to farm and perfect it too. That's our only source of income here. You better get ready. I wish this rain would just fall so we can collect.
Otito? What is it?
My sister is dying. She's coughing out blood.
Eh?
Yes.
What did they eat?
I don't know. I only saw palm wine and pepper soup.
Is that all?
That's all. That's all.
I am coming.
Oh, please, please, please. Nagachi, hurry, hurry. Please, my sister, please. Nagachi, please.
Let's go.
Adaku!
What is going on? I don't want it to happen.
Mazi, did anything happen? Did you hear anything happen?
No. No. Or are you expecting anything to happen? Are you expecting anything to happen anywhere at all?
I'm feeling that something...
Don't feel anything.
I came here for my balance. Hi. See, Mazoku, wait, I did not want to embarrass you, disturb you, or disgrace you at the market square.
Very good.
That is why I left you to come home, so that I will come here to take my money.
You are a good man. You are a very good man. Eh? You were at the market. You saw how things are going on.
Which things? How what?
No customer. There was no customer in the market.
Mazoku, leave that aside.
That money is very important. It's very, very important that I should give it to you. I will give it to you.
What is will? I don't want your will. Will Guinea? Or will come get you feed my family?
That is important.
I told me your will at all. Oh, I want my balance. Now.
I won't believe who I saw today. Not shortly after both of you branched up to the street, came face to face with her, and he said he would like to see me.
Why?
How would I know?
Papa, maybe he's coming to buy land from you. As we all know in this village, he goes about buying land from people.
Buying land? He forces people and takes over their land.
That's what he does. Jelukwao, Madam, I want to say this before both of you now. Our lands are not for sale.
Bam.
Our lands are not for sale. The land of my fathers is not for sale. We will continue to farm on our lands. I hope I've made myself clear.
Bam. You are.
But Papa,
will you shut up and eat your food? What do you know about land? Do you want to sell one? Or did they send you? No, I have heard you. You're not selling any land.
Chi anyị kere ụwa anyị ka na-eme ntụle
I guess they are getting fine.
How?
Ikpo, Ija, Ikpo.
A sister to a healer is as well a healer.
Manezo.
Our chi has blessed my brother Akachi.
Adimotulodi.
The gift of healing strange sicknesses. So it taught me well. Trust me, I learned well. So just calm down.
Otito, imamwe chuku kelowa. Imamwe chi anyi kelowa. I guess I will leave. That's it. Igbo! Ija! Ija! Igbo! Igbo! Ija! Ija! Igbo! Igbo! Ija! Ija! Igbo!
Oku one na. Oku I greet you. Ekenenge na ikene mmonwu julu ba.
Me Oku. Oku that is hot, you are greeting me. Don't you know I'm hot? Biakachi. This mistake of a human being. So you are still alive. You are still alive. You are supposed to be, in fact, you were a living dead human being in corpse.
Oku, I am alive. Strong and healthy.
Strong and healthy.
Let me tell you one thing. One thing for sure. Oku, you will die before me. And if you die, I, Akachi, will inherit all your palm trees.
Is that your dream?
Igbo Ija.
Igbo he njachiege.
Igbo Ija.
Igbo he njachiege. Which leg are you going to climb the palm tree? Do you have a leg? Do you have anything that can enable you to climb the palm tree? You want to inherit my palm tree. That is your biggest dream. You can never achieve it. Whoever that created you made the mistake because you are a mistake of a human being. And I don't know keep moja.
Oku, they say a child that dances Solugede dance does not know that Solugede is dance of the spirit. Even you, an elder that is dancing Solugede dance, you does not know that Solugede is the dance of the spirit.
How many have you been able to cure?
Oku,
I am Oku, I am hot. Oku is hot.
If you are hot, yes. I am water. I will water you.
Yes. Let me see how you can do it.
Igbo Ija.
Igbo he njachiege.
Igbo Ija.
Igbo he njachiege.
Oku.
Njachiege.
Imamwe chukwu kele ụwa. Imamwe chi anyị kele ụwa.
Njachiege.
Igbo
njachiege.
Ka ọ dịba dịba. Ebukwe m onye atara mụ nwa jide ebube. Oku. Oku mapirike.
You are just a dead man already. Look at his mouth. Igbo Ija. Don't you know you are already Buo Anja? You are already Buo Anja. You are dead.
I guess you're feeling better.
Yes. I'm fine.
You're welcome. Otito, I am done and I have to go home. Make sure they take 3 cups each. Now that it's hot. Let me go and make food for my brother Kachi. He has not eaten.
Ugochi, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
We are grateful.
Oh,
thank you.
You're welcome. Make sure you take the herbs, okay? You'll be fine.
Thank you.
Otito, take care of them.
Yes, I will.
Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Give them that drink, okay? Now I'm in charge. You will do as I say.
Otito, be very careful with me. Be careful.
I'm only following instruction. See, 3 cups. Yeah. Drink. You will do as I say. Yes, I'm in charge now. Oh, yeah. Drink. Drink!
Be very careful.
Drink up. Drink up. Okay, one.
What's the wait?
Just drink.
Drink! Bitter.
I know it's bitter. But you have to drink.
Drink. No, I'm okay. I'm fine. Fine. It's very small.
I should give to him to drink for you. Mom,
to stop.
Do some.
Why am I having these feelings? Huh? Why am I feeling as if something bad is about to happen or is already happening? Did I do anything wrong? Such feelings don't just come to me like that. I need to make some findings. I really need to make some findings. I need results. I need to know why I am feeling like this. I really need to know why I am having these feelings. Let it not be that this stupid, good-for-nothing Akachi has finally averted this thing. Eh? Let it not be that Akachi met them and averted what should have happened. Even at that, I need to do something. I need to do something. I must find out. I must find out. I must find out. I must find out, yes. What do I do? What do I do? What do I do? How do I go about this? Okay.
Hey! Igbo, Ija, Igbo.
Wow.
Ugochi,
Yes.
let me ask you this question. What could have caused this problem? Do you have any idea?
Yes. I think it was the pepper soup or the palm wine that was poisoned. Yes. Yes.
The pepper soup or the palm wine was poisoned. Ugochi, can I prophesy?
Don't insult me.
Shut up! Ugochi, I am putting it to you, if the pepper soup was poisoned, it was poisoned by you. And if the palm wine was poisoned, it was poisoned by Oko. They will say,
as for Oko, me, I don't know about him, but as for me, never. I did not do it. I wasn't the one that poisoned the pepper soup, or I wasn't the one that even prepared the pepper soup for them to eat. So how come I poisoned it?
Ugochi, every woman are incredible. They can do or undo, especially when they are in love with a man. And they find out that the man is in love with another woman. They will do and undo. Ugochi,
you are accusing me? Me? That I poisoned their pepper soup?
I am not accusing you. I am putting it to you.
Thank you for insulting me. Me, I want to sleep. Thank you.
You can sleep. Look at me. Children of these days, they will do and undo just to get what they want.
Save yourself. Sleep.
Ugochi, but you know the manner.
Sleep so that your leg will rest.
Sleep.
would have died just like that. The best would be dying with the love of my life. By now, we will become spirits and we will still be in love.
Uzoma? Where's the man of this house? Why is this place looking more like a ghost? Uzoma? Huh? This is strange to me. Why are you looking so unhealthy? How come? Because I was ill yesterday, and here you are. Yes. I wonder why Chi would just allow us to be falling ill like this. Do you know yesterday I was very ill. I couldn't even step out of my house. Are you serious? Yes. And here you are. No wonder. I've been waiting for you at our usual meeting point. But you were nowhere to be found. I decided to come around to check on you. Honestly, Udensi, my own is different. My own is very different. What is it? I was poisoned. You didn't hear it. Oh. Poisoned? I was poisoned. This is dangerous. How come? What happened? I don't know. I can't really place the source of it. But all I know is I was poisoned. Oh. I was even vomiting. I vomited a lot of blood. Hey, don't say much. Don't say much. It's okay. But thank the gods, I am fine today. Oh. I was planning to go and see Adako because she also ate the poison. Hey! I don't know who wants me dead. But all I know is somebody is after my life. I know! Don't worry. I was actually on my way to see the palm wine tapper at the market so that I can fetch some palm wine. Oh, okay. What will happen is that as soon as I get my palm wine, I will meet you at Adako's place. It's okay, Right. Just take things easy, I will. Things will be fine. I will see you later.
They say you want to go. I'll be fine.
I don't think he saw me. No, he didn't see me at all. I am glad. Yes, I need to be happy because he looks very, very healthy. I wasn't even expecting him to be alive today, but look at him. He's still alive and healthy. That's good. After
after all that happened yesterday. In fact, the gods are with me.
This is the hard one. Very hard. Trust me now, I go for the best. Yes.
Ekwe.
No. My brother.
No. You said you wanted to see me.
Yes. And that's why I'm here. It is said that that's what the fowl is looking for in the rain is very important. Yes, very, very important. I told you the other day that I will come and see you for an important discussion. Well, what we are going to discuss is not all that. In fact, it's very simple. To hit the nail on the head, I am interested in your property.
Which property?
Some of your farmlands. I want you to sell some to me. In fact, let us exchange it. I give you money to give me some of the farmlands. I need it.
Hey, Ekwe. Hey, okay. I don't sell land. I don't sell my land.
I am strong now that I've seen you. I'm so happy.
I am happy too.
Thank you.
Adam, have you wondered what would have happened if we did not make it alive?
Same thing I was thinking about last night. But thanks to our chief for saving our lives. It shows that it's not yet our time.
Yes, it is not yet our time. Because we've vomited enough to have cost us our lives.
Yes. And thanks to Gochi for coming in at that time. But whatever she came to do at that particular time, it's none of my business. At least she saved our lives.
You are right. You are very right.
And my love, I think we should say proper thanks to her.
Yes. That will be very fine. So, what do you think we should use to say these thanks?
Aminchi. Yes. And vegetable leaves.
That's good. That's good. In that case, I'll have to get a very big aminchi.
Yes.
Come on. I need you to do something.
I will use this bead and make younger. Yes. Cheta and Yuru will know that I'm alright. Yes. Hey, it's so beautiful. But wait though. Adani catch me with this bead. She will kill me. But for the meantime, I have to make enough Inyanga with this bead. It belongs to me now. I'm not giving it to her. Anything she like, let her. Okay.
Yeah. But I hope this one is very sweet.
No! Do you want to kill yourself?
What is the problem?
I don't know. My love, what is it?
You're asking me. You're drinking the same palm wine that almost got us killed yesterday.
It's not this one. It's not this one. Oh, they just brought this one now.
Oh.
What are you saying?
Oh. You thought I poisoned the meat, right? Oh, so why would I? Why would I poison a food meant for the both of us? Why would I want to kill us? So why are you doing this to me? Why are you doing this to me? So it's not fair. Now you listen to me. I swear by the gods, if anything happens to you, Uzo, I will not forgive you. Uzo, I will not forgive you. I will not forgive you.
What kind of temptation is this? Does it mean we can't even enjoy our life?
Wait. Come to think of it, I think Adagu is right.
How?
Eh?
How?
I wish you saw what happened to me yesterday. I was coughing out blood and vomiting at the same time.
Are you serious?
The same thing happened to her.
Oh.
But do you know what?
What?
Yesterday was her first time taking palm wine. Does it mean Oko wants me dead?
How would I know?
Does it mean Oko poisoned that palm wine yesterday?
I don't think so. It's impossible. But how could Oko be? Is it this harmful? Eh?
I will find out from Oko. I will kill him before he kills me.
No, it hasn't come.
No. I will kill Oko before he kills me.
No. Wait first. Wait. Let me join you.
Stay out.
No, wait.
He has to explain to me what he sold to me. Eh? Let him explain to me what he sold to me now.
Uzoma, wait.
I want to know if Oko sold poison to me.
Uzoma, calm down. Learn to calm down. Eh? Don't take actions the way it comes. Okay?
Ude, please, stay out of this. You did not take the poison with me, oh. You did not take this poison with me. It was Adagu that took the poison with me. Just stay out of this. I need to see Oko. Let me ask him what he gave me yesterday.
How will you ask somebody who poisoned you a question?
I want to know what he sold to me.
There are ways to go about it now. Eh? Uzoma.
He might go and attack him. No. Uzoma!
Gongomo. Take it easy.
Hold on now. I've not started massaging you. You're just shouting like a child. Eh? Calm down. Let me massage these legs so that you walk well.
Easy.
Take smoke. Okay, hold on.
Wait.
You'll be fine.
Take it easy. Easy. Easy.
Take smoke. Okay, hold on.
Wait. I didn't say you should break the remaining leg. I said you should massage it. Don't break my leg.
You know I want
it easy.
Calm down. Me.
He's going to take this.
Do you know that you're shouting like a child? Eh? Brother, calm down.
Ugochi, are you mad? Are you trying to insult me?
Sorry now.
Don't you know I was born like this?
It doesn't matter. Me, I'm trying to help you, sir.
Ugochi, easy. Ugochi, easy.
Okay. Wait. Let me calm. Wait now. Let me It's okay.
Wait. Take it easy.
It's okay. Let me just drop it.
Easy. Wait.
You'll be fine.
What?
Let me just go to the market.
Help me stretching it.
It's okay. It's okay. Let me go to the market. Oh? I'm coming.
My leg. Oh, gods of our land. Why I was born like this?
I hope she's doing well. I'm already missing her in the market too. You tell her? Yes. Today is going to be a good day.
Keep your house clean, very sweet. Sweet and fresh. You can come and test it.
Dike doesn't know me very well. He does not know me too well. He thinks I can take no for an answer. No, it's not possible. Dike, you must sell that land. You must sell some of your lands to me. Yes, it is a must. You must do that. Look at it. Just look at Dike. Telling me to my face that he has made his decision. Who are you to make your decision before Ekwe? The gong of the strong. The sound that even the spirits cannot ignore. Dike, you must change your decision. Else I shall teach you what the fire does with the ears of a rat. Ekwe. Ekwe Dike. The gong of the strong. The spirit cannot even join me. Eh? Dike doesn't know me very well. He does not know me too well. He thinks I can take no for an answer. No, it's not possible. Dike, you must sell that land. You must sell some of your lands to me. Yes, it is a must. You must do that. Look at it. Just look at Dike. Telling me to my face that he has made his decision. Who are you to make your decision before Ekwe? The gong of the strong. The sound that even the spirits cannot ignore. Dike, you must change your decision. Else I shall teach you what the fire does with the ears of a rat. Ekwe. Ekwe Dike. The gong of the strong. The spirit cannot even join me. Eh?
What's the meaning of this? Is anything the matter?
You are a murderer. Stop pretending you are a killer. I need you to tell them what you added to the drink you sold to me yesterday. Tell them what you gave me yesterday that almost got me killed.
Uncle, say the truth and set yourself free. What do you add in that drink?
I add what? I did not add anything to the drink. Eh? Is it not the same drink he bought that Mazi also bought from me? Mazi.
And you are still owing me change for it. Till now.
But I will.
You will. You will.
From the same thing. So how come he's the only one complaining? My numerous customers that bought the same drink. Why is Uzoma the only one complaining? You people should better go and look for what is happening to him, not from my drink. Yes.
Uzoma, yes, actually, I bought the same palm wine and I drank of it. And, you know, I am still... so I don't know.
Haku, confess, confess. What did you put in their palm wine? Eh? Because I personally healed them. If not for me, they would have been dead by now.
Dead? Ha! I don't know. If there's another thing that he ate that wanted to kill him, it's not Oku.
Listen, Oku, I am not here to play with you. I am not here for any kind of joke. Tell them what you gave me yesterday.
Hey!
No! Leave me alone!
Take it easy.
No!
Oku, take it easy.
Oku, you want me dead?
Take it easy.
If you're not guilty, swear by this. Yes, yes, swear. Swear by this.
Uncle, swear.
Swear by this.
Yes, swear by it.
Swear if you're not guilty.
Remove this thing from
Swear, Uncle, you must swear.
Swear.
You must swear. You have to pay a fine. And you will also pay for the treatment Uzoma gave to himself and that of Adaku, his girlfriend. And you will be suspended for 14 market days. After which, we shall think of what next to do to you.
Just 14 market days suspension.
Remove it from my house.
You are an evil man.
You know, you're looking beautiful today.
Thank you. Once again, I want to tell you thank you. Okay? If not for you, those Oma would have been paying the fine and the damages.
Yes.
So thank you so much.
But I did the right thing, right?
Yes, you did the right thing. And the truth.
So don't applaud me for it.
Though it was an undiluted truth. And let me ask you this. Hope this your kindness will not put us into trouble. You would have just walked away.
Is it by force? Is it by force to sell someone's property?
No,
or to say I will not sell? Is it by force?
Imagine. You needed to have been there when Ekwe was talking about this thing. He was talking as if it is something that must be done. Eh? Sell my land. I would say, Ekwe, I don't sell. Do you know at a point in time he said that I must sell? He said, what am I doing with that vast land? That I must sell. That land is there for exchange. I was looking at him. I was baffled. Now that it is this way, he has given me enough signal. Enough signal to get ready. Enough signal to be ready for him. Let him come. Let him come. I am not like all those men that he goes to and dispossesses of their lands. He cannot do that with me. He cannot try that with me. I will show him I am strong.
That was why the name DK from the from the first day you were born. Don't mind him. He should know who you are now. And he cannot try any nonsense with you.
Mom.
You are going to the swim.
Yes, Mama.
Be back fast.
But I wasn't. I don't understand.
The one he is buying and acquiring from himself, it's not too many for him. But the one we have inherited is too much for us.
No, that one is too much for us.
But
the vast area of land he has acquired from people, some forcibly, that one is not too much.
One.
I'm waiting for him.
Sell my palm wine. Up. You are no longer hot. How am I going to survive? I have the idea. Just imagine what this students cost for me. Eh?
What are you doing here? What are you doing here?
Please, I came to ask for forgiveness. Now they didn't.
What are you? What? I will if I don't. Don't worry. I know what. I'm chopped off your head, this matter. Let me even see the crime I committed. Eh? All the problem I'm having is circling around you.
Ada, what is the matter with you? What is it?
How dare you? How dare you? I only told you what I noticed. I didn't ask you to go and fight him. Now look at what you've caused him. Are you okay now?
Wait. Ada, do you pity him? Ada, a man that almost got us killed?
Can we just mind our business? At least we are not dead. He didn't kill us. After all, he has been exposed.
That's all I wanted! That's all I wanted! To expose him! Ada, why are we even fighting over this? Why are we quarreling over this? Ada. Adako, don't tell me you prefer him to me.
Uzoma, I didn't say so. Stop acting like a child.
Ah. I see. Now you are insulting me. Adako, you are insulting me because I came to your house. Don't forget I have a house. I'll leave you.
After me. Hey.
Who is after you?
Osu. Oku is after me. Hey.
Come.
Hey.
Ude, come. Hey, Ude. Yeah? What business do you have with Oku? What do you have with such man that you now visit him every now and then as if you both are friends?
Yeah. His uncle. He said I should come and collect money from him. After cutting the palm kernel tree. Palm wine tree, yes. He said I should come and collect the money. That was why I went there. Hi.
Ude, why would you go now? Eh? Why would you go now after all the sanctions against him? You still had the mind to go asking him for money.
That is my business now. That is my business.
It should be your business. It should be your business. Unless you have other shady things you're doing with him, I don't know. Thank the gods have saved your life. Otito?
Uzoma, good morning.
Good morning. How are you?
I'm fine. And you?
I am fine. Don't tell me she has left already.
No, she hasn't. She's at the backyard.
Okay. Let me see her.
Okay. Thank you for coming.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
I will eat it until nothing is left in this plate. Eh? Besides, you eat alone, you die alone. Oh. Come here.
Come here.
Yeah.
Oh!
Oh, you're so sweet.
What do you want to do? Do you want to show the whole village what you...
Enough. You act like you don't want me, but look at you, you don't want to let me go. Or you are depressed because of what I made you see today. Look at the way she sleeps around, even with your best friend.
Stop. I don't want us to talk about it, else your mood will change.
Obima, I'm sorry. My love.
Besides, she caught us. She saw everything.
She's not aware that you know her. Let's watch her fool herself.
Yes, exactly. You're right.
Let me go to the kitchen and prepare oha soup for you. I know you will like it.
You want to make what?
Oha soup.
Oha soup? I said it. I said it. You know how to win a man's heart. Oha is my favorite.
Oh yeah, let's go.
I'm going to help you.
Right. Oh, okay, let's go.
Okay, I'll get you.
Aku! Who knows me? I am hot. I'm coming.
Okay.
Who is there? Uncle, please, don't be angry. Please, I came for peace. I came so that we can talk and make other plans. Please. Okay. You can sit down. Okay.
Yeni nemleri no adam nafo, mayin gwadam nafo, ane udom nafo. Aga m etinyere ya anụ nchi, nke doza ma ga-eweta ọzọ. Ihe niile m na-eri n'ụwa ọdọ m n'afọ. Ihe niile m na-eri n'ụwa ọdọ m n'afọ. A na-efido m n'afọ, maghị ngwọdọ m n'afọ. Aga m etinyere ya anụ nchi, nke doza ma ga-eweta ọzọ. Hey! Ihe niile m na-eri n'ụwa ọdọ m n'afọ. Ihe niile m na-eri n'ụwa ọdọ m n'afọ. Maghị ngwọdọ m n'afọ. A na-efido m n'afọ. Aga m etinyere ya anụ nchi, nke doza ma ga-eweta ọzọ. Ihe niile m na-eri n'ụwa ọdọ m n'afọ. Ihe niile m na-eri n'ụwa ọdọ m n'afọ. Maghị ngwọdọ m n'afọ. A na-efido m n'afọ. Aga m etinyere ya anụ nchi, nke doza ma ga-eweta ọzọ. Ihe niile m na-eri n'ụwa ọdọ m n'afọ. A na-efido m n'afọ, maghị ngwọdọ m n'afọ. Aga m etinyere ya anụ nchi, nke doza ma ga-eweta ọzọ. Ihe niile m na-eri n'ụwa ọdọ m n'afọ. Ihe niile m na-eri n'ụwa ọdọ m n'afọ. Aga m etinyere ya anụ nchi, nke doza ma
Okay. Where
did you get this palm wine this early?
Is that your business too? Drink and tell me why you are here.
Uncle, we are still friends. Eh? It did not look like we are sworn enemies.
If we are enemies, you wouldn't be seated here in my house drinking. I would have poisoned you.
That's right. Of course, but we are friends and allies.
Allies? You call me your ally? An ally? When you almost got me into a very serious trouble. Now tell me, had it been Uzoma and Adaku died, what would have been my fate today? You lied to me. You deceived me.
Oh, calm down. Calm down. No, do you know that I didn't even know that that girl was going to drink from that palm wine? Yes.
You didn't know? It's all right. That is good. Well, it is the remaining of what she drank that you are drinking. So drink and die. Huh?
Hi.
Ude? Why? Why?
It's a mistake. You know, that is not even why I'm here. You know, considering what had happened, I decided not to eat or drink anything from you.
Eh? Look who is talking. Between you and me, who is supposed to be careful of each other? Eh? Are you not the one that gave me the substance I added in that drink they drank? And now everywhere is hot because Oku is always hot.
Oku.
Who knows where you brought them?
Please now.
Who knows where you got that substance?
Don't go there. Don't go there. Okay, what is the way forward? That is just it.
Way forward?
Yes.
We are not done talking about this. We must talk about it, though. We must talk about it. Everybody sees me now as the evil person, while you are the person that is evil. Evil in you. Don't you know I have been fined? Don't you know I have been asked not to sell drinks in the market anymore? Ude, where am I going to feed from? No, tell me. Where will I feed from?
Uncle. What is it? Why are you running like this? I want to tell you something urgent.
Speak up. As you can see, I'm about to climb.
I want to give you something to put into your palm wine, so that I can sell it to someone. Hey! Hey!
You want to give me something? Poison?
Hey! No, not poison. You want to put me into trouble? I just want to punish that person a little. It's just a substance. No, that's all.
Substance? A little. Little poison. Uncle, you know I am hot. Always hot. Things I do, they are always hot. Why me? Hey, why me, Udesi? Oh, Udesi. I will not be part of this evil act. I will not. I am not going to be part of it.
Uncle, you don't have a choice. You don't have a choice. You know you're owing me. And I know every secret about you. Now, look, let me tell you something. If you don't do it, I will expose you. I swear to the God, I will expose you. I'm waiting for you in your house. I'm waiting for you.
Hey! So this is how I am just on my own. And trouble walks up to me, telling me I must be troubled. I will not touch it though. Bring it, I will not touch it. I will not touch it. Miyoko. This Udezi is evil. Hey! 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 Udezi, I am not part of it oh. I will not be part of this oh. Hear me oh.
Welcome.
Udensi,
yes.
This very act is evil. Count me out. I will not be part of it. I am not part of it.
Then be ready for public disgrace. Yes. And I mean it.
What's the meaning of this now? Eh? Can't you let me be? Okay, what exactly do you want me to do for you?
Now you're talking. This is exactly what I want to hear. See. Uzoma is celebrating with Adako today. And I know very well that he will be here to buy kegs of palm wine. Now, I want him to purge. Yes. Yes. All you need to do, apply this powder in one of these kegs. Mark it. Because I'm so sure that this powder will do the work. Okay? Yes.
Ude, let me ask. For him to purge now, is it a way of congratulating him? What?
That should not be your business. Just do as I say.
What if I make mistake? What if I fail?
Then I will deal with you.
Hey.
I will deal with you.
One may not be...
Uncle, be warned. Do as I say. Okay?
Purge. Just to purge.
Yes. I just want him to purge. Nothing more.
You want him to purge?
Yes.
For this?
Let him purge. I have made my statement.
I will add this.
Make sure you mark the keg.
And sell the keg to him.
Do your work very well.
But you didn't answer me very well. Is the purging, is it a way of congratulating your friend who is celebrating? Aye! What kind of a thing is this? I don't even know the quantity I will add. If I add little now, maybe the purging will be little. And if I add much, maybe the purging will be... Oh! Let him not stool out his intestine, What kind of a thing is this? Okay, tell me, when did this start? How can friends be your friend? You just congratulate him by purging him when he's celebrating. When did this start? Is this a new way of saying congratulations? Purge. Is it a way of congratulating that person? Okay, maybe. Because when you purge, your stomach will be empty and you eat more food. Well, no problem. Purging, that's tiny poison. Just to purge. No problem.
He's looking his best, knowing that you'll be here. This love so important to express each other.
If you like, let him come here naked and down. I will still love him the same way. I love him. It's not even necessary.
There is nothing in it. Absolutely nothing.
Just don't tell me there's nothing. There's something about it. Oko,
I want to put him out of the way,
so that I will be only hunter that can hunt in all the bushes of Umujoka Kingdom.
Chai. Dance. Hey. Do you know you're just desperately trying to be great for nothing? Wait for your time to shine. Calm down. Wait for your time to shine. Just calm down.
Oko, don't tell me calm down. Don't tell me calm down. Leave me as I am. All the time! All the time! Why can't they rather get caught instead of destroying all my traps? Why?
Then see. What is it? Take it easy now. Take it easy. You should know there is time for everything. Well, take it easy, please. Let's go and check mine. Let's go and check mine. Come. Tracy. Come. It's okay. Oh. Ude? Ude, come and see meat. Ude, come and see meat. Come and see bush meat. Anofia. To kaja. Ezibo anofia. They see meat. See meat. My God too.
Hey! Did I offend Chi in any way? Or is Chi angry with me?
Ude, what is it again? Like I said earlier, Ude, it's time and season.
When will my own season come? When will it come? Or did I offend the spirit of these animals?
Which one is spirit of animals again? Maybe you should set your traps close to mine next time.
My friend, have we not set at the boundaries? Did I get anyone? It's almost 1 year now. Just bad luck.
Bad luck? No. I would not have you call yourself bad luck. Which one is bad luck? You are not bad luck. Everything has time. There is time for everything. You are bad luck. Which one is bad luck again? Come, let's check the other ones in front. Look at this meat. You know that I cannot even sell this meat without giving you small money from it. I will give you money. Why are you complaining? Everything has time. Come, let's go further. I don't know how to call you bad luck.
Daalunu. Oma.
Good afternoon.
Otito, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you. You caught a big meat today. Wow.
It is the handwork of the gods.
So big.
Yes.
So your face is like this. What is the problem?
He's not happy.
Take this. Give it to Adako.
Okay.
Let her make oha soup with it.
Oha soup.
Yes.
That's good. Welcome to Daisy. You're not smiling at
Don't worry.
Smile.
He will be fine. He will be fine.
Daisy, smile now. Smile. It's not the end of the world. Smile. Smile. He's standing like a statue.
Ude, you need to brighten up your face. You have to brighten up your face. Please. Listen, as far as I'm concerned, you will definitely have something to sell at the market today. You take one from here. Yes. I'll give you one. Brighten up your face. Smile.
Why are you laughing at my worries? Dancing. Do you know what I see in this is just jealousy, greed, and stupidity. You must understand that success is not measured by our daily inputs. No! That is why you see some people, they will struggle a little and they amass huge success. And those that will toil day and night ends up getting nothing. That same person that toiled day and night without getting anything can still make it. Zoom! The harvest will boom. Yes. All you need to do is remove jealousy in you, because you are simply jealous of Uzoma's success. Uzoma, you know, started hunting at a very little age. So he knows the terrain of all the animals in the bush. He has the tricks. So what do? Study his tricks. Learn from him. And your own time will come. Can't you see Oku? Oku is hot. Hot on top of my wine. Hot on top of my wine tree. Hot in everything.
Oku, can you please assist me holding this?
You can stop talking rubbish. I am talking rubbish. Is that what you're saying?
Okay. I am always hot. Always hot. I know what to do. No problem.
Uncle, I heard what happened. And I'm sorry about that. But if I may ask, what really pushed you into doing that?
Is that a question or what? Do I owe you any explanation? Eh? I don't owe you any explanation. Besides, I did nothing. I did nothing. I was instructed to come and see your sister. That is why you met me going this way. Eh? To come and give her money. But let me tell you, I've seen you. Needless of going there. I am not going to give your sister any dime. If you want to know why, come to the market.
Uncle, we have decided not to collect anything from you, even a dime. Even Adako and Uzoma. I say Kaira Pivetana Banakawula English. Manena Kita Naheko.
If you want to know why, come to the market.
Where? Look at somebody I'm trying to help. I was even trying to help you. My sister was saying what he would do to you. I pleaded with my sister to help the boy the Kai. What happened the Kai? Oko. Okwangwage. Okwangwalege agwoko. No one know what even Maggie. Ibe chuwamu ndi mu na vaso emegine apia wagazu agwange ka ibe meva okwa ba pia wagazu ne ba na azu abi oku nanu ka si we jide gazu pia rije atolo omalo atolo fe ko fenyi si no obia ino na eko se na ewo oku ngwa na mu mmiri awu oku na agbo ozala nanu ka ndi mu na vaso diwe okwa obele mgba ajala ka apia ge odigele akwa ndị bazira na-eji isi alụmakụ tọ nsị ga-adị ihe amasị ka ọzọ ga-adị a na-ekughi ọkụ igbo ija ọkụ igbo ija ị na-eku ọkụ ịma mgbochi anyị kere ụwa ka njuke na ọkụ ịma mgbochi anyị kere ụwa ị na-eku a na-eku
song of the strong. The sound that even the spirits cannot ignore.
I like it.
Get out!
Father, what is it? Why are you talking to yourself?
Imagine Dike to say no to me. Me! Ekwe! Ekwe Dike!
I don't understand. Was he drunk? Onwurumanya? Does he not know that you are the richest man in this kingdom?
Dike told me to my face. Dike told me to my face. Hey! Alele. Alele.
It's okay, Father. It's okay. I think I know what to do. Just leave that for me. But all I need from you is you play your own part while I play mine.
So be it. So be it.
Honey, let me start going to the market. But I want to eat something before going.
You can go, and when I'm done cooking, I will bring you home.
Hey, but I'm hungry. I need to eat something before going to the market now.
Otito, go to the market now. Go to the market. When I'm done cooking, I will bring your own. You were here dancing when I was cooking my herbs. What is it?
Dada, stop saying this thing now. I'm hungry. You know I like food. I need to eat something before going.
You are hungry. Oh yeah, take. At least this one will help you. This one will hold your stomach. Just take. Come, go to the market. I am hungry. Go to the market.
Come now. Come. What is the problem? This one, your face is like this.
What are you doing here? This one you are standing your face.
Listen, everybody, everybody, listen, you people are aware that I was asked to stop coming to this market to sell for something I Listen, I was not the person that poisoned Adako and Uzoma. I was not the person that poisoned them. I was not the person that put the poison in the drink that they drank. It was Ude blackmailed me. Blackmailed you? He's the one that asked me to put the poison that Uzoma was celebrating. I was thinking maybe it's the way they do their celebration, and at the end of the day, it happened to be poison. So you see, it's not me that did it. I'm only here to confess. So I'm here to confess that it's not me. It's Ude. And when my brother died, I started sleeping with the wife. Is it not my inheritance? It's my inheritance. My name.
Hey! Abomination!
I have to apologize to Adako with all this, mate. Yes. I know I offended her. Let me apologize with you.
So that is all. He just confessed to the whole kingdom in the market that he has slept with me.
I'm so sorry about that. Please, forgive my manners. But I don't think it's a shameful thing if you fall in love with your late husband's brother. It's part of hereditary laws. Yes. A brother can take over the wife of his late brother if the wife agrees. Yes.
You are right. But it will be a thing of shame and reproach if he does not marry me. But rather, he used me for his sexual gratification pleasure.
So it's sexual abuse.
As I listen very carefully. I am no longer interested in this our long discussion. No. You must understand that now you are my inheritance. And if you fail to understand that and concur with me,
I will go public. I will tell the whole people that you are the one that killed my brother, your late husband. Do you understand that? Can you condone such? Can you condone it? Can you take it?
But I did not kill my husband.
Meaning, that's not my concern. You must understand what I'm saying. Have I told anybody that you killed your husband? No. I am not even ready to look at you because I'm not seeing these crocodile tears you are shedding. Yes, you are trying to use it to fool me. No. Go home. Take a clean bath and come back to resume your duty. Bring it clean, both front and back, everything. Eh? You will enjoy it. Just go home and come back.
My husband has just been buried. And this is all you have to say?
Can't you be reasonable for once? Eh? Can't you be reasonable? Asa, be reasonable. Allow the dead to bury themselves and let the living continue with their life. Yes. Go home, take your bath, come back and open up for me. Asa penya. Open it.
I will not do it.
Never. You will not do it.
Yes.
You will?
I will not do it.
Then watch me. I am going to strip you of everything you think you are going to survive with. Let me see how you will.
I will never do it.
You will never do it?
I will never do it.
Hi. Oh. And where? No problem. I must have it. I must be there. Just imagine the way she picked this thing. Right. No problem. Asa, he has appeared. Hey! Thief! What are you doing? What are you doing? Umudiaka! Thief! Oh!
Who is the thief around here?
You are the thief, oh. The original thief. You are the main thief. Asa, what are you doing in my farmland?
Which farmland are you referring to?
This is my farmland. Or you are asking me which farmland?
I am farming in my late husband's farmland.
That makes you an original thief. The main thief. Yes. This farmland was given to your late husband, whom you killed. And for his death, I am the automatically owner of this land. I don't want to see you here again. Leave this place.
I did not kill my husband. I did not kill my husband.
Story for the gods. You are only shedding crocodile tears, and I am not seeing it. Let this be the last time I will see you here. Leave. What's the meaning of this?
Kill my husband.
Get out! Get out! Get out! Get out! Get out! Let me see you here again. Just imagine this waste. Oko on top of this waste. Oh. Asa, you are very wicked. Asa, you are very wicked. Look at the shape. Oh, and as she's walking, the thing is shaking. Come back here again. Stingy woman. If you are stingy, I will be stingy. If you give me, and I will give you. Open, and I open. Nonsense.
Yes. Please.
Did he force you?
I said it. I said it. I know you will come.
I'm ready. Let's go in.
You see, this is how life should be. We always take life to be too hard, but it is not so. We make it too hard on us. You are my inheritance. Front, back, all belongs to me. What you have just done, you have taken the right step.
I am not ready for all this long talk.
Oh.
Let's just go in. Let me do what I'm here for.
I was even trying to be gentle on you, but I didn't know you want it hot. Hey, Oko, I am hot. I will give it to you hot, just as you want it.
Let's just go.
Let's go. Hot.
When he wants. If I go to him, he will start calling me Liz. I don't know. Asa is okay.
Does he not know that we women also have feelings for men sometimes? See, Asa, wipe your tears, okay? Do you know what? Just go back to the market and continue whatever you are doing. We all have our shortcomings, and no one is innocent of this.
But okay. It's a shameful thing to be a mistress to my late husband's brother. It is a shameful thing.
I know, it's okay. You'll be fine, okay? Just stop crying. Asa,